What if I told you this stunning orange Chevelle convertible costs nearly $180,000, and every dollar is hiding under that hood? What's up, everyone? Subscribe to the channel, because today we're looking at a machine that represents the golden age of American muscle, a car that combines breathtaking style, massive V8 power, and show-stopping craftsmanship into one unforgettable package. This is the 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible, and trust me, this isn't just another classic car. This is a fully restored masterpiece with a price tag of $179,900. The moment this Chevelle comes into view, it's impossible to look away. Finished in an eye-catching glossy orange paint with bold black stripes running across the body, this convertible has a presence that demands attention. Whether it's sitting under the lights at a car show or cruising down a coastal highway with the top down, this machine captures everything enthusiasts love about classic American performance. But the real story begins long before the paint was sprayed. This incredible Chevelle has undergone a full frame-off rotisserie restoration. For collectors and enthusiasts, those words mean everything. The body was separated from the frame, every component was inspected, restored, refinished, or replaced, and the entire vehicle was rebuilt from the ground up. This isn't a quick restoration. This is the kind of build that requires thousands of hours, expert craftsmanship, and an obsession with perfection. As you walk around the car, the quality becomes obvious. The glossy orange finish shines like liquid glass. Every body line is laser straight. The black stripes provide the perfect contrast, emphasizing the muscular shape that made the Chevelle one of the most iconic cars of the muscle car era. The chrome trim sparkles from every angle. The stance is aggressive yet elegant, and with the black convertible top folded down, this Chevelle transforms into the ultimate open-air cruiser. Then you reach the heart of the beast. Lift the hood and you're greeted by one of the most legendary power plants ever installed in an American muscle car. Sitting proudly in the engine bay is a massive 454 cubic inch big block Chevrolet V8. This isn't the kind of engine that politely asks for attention, it demands it. Fed by a Holley 4-barrel carburetor, the big block delivers the kind of raw, earth-shaking performance that modern turbocharged engines can only dream about replicating. Turn the key and the engine erupts to life with a deep rumble that instantly sends chills down your spine. The sound is pure American muscle. Every pulse through the exhaust system reminds you that this machine was built during an era when horsepower ruled the streets. Backing that legendary V8 is the bulletproof TH400 3-speed automatic transmission. Known for its durability and smooth operation, the Turbo Hydromatic 400 is one of the most respected automatic transmissions ever produced. Together, the TH400 and the 454 create a driving experience that's equal parts brutal and refined. Power is transferred to a rugged 12-volt rear end equipped with a 355-to-1 gear ratio. This setup provides the perfect balance between strong acceleration and comfortable highway cruising. Put your foot down and this Chevelle responds with an endless wave of torque that pushes you back into the seat. Yet, despite its incredible power, this Chevelle remains remarkably easy to drive. Power steering provides effortless maneuverability, while power brakes with front disc brakes offer confident stopping power. These upgrades make the car far more enjoyable whether you're cruising through town or driving to the next major car event. And speaking of driving enjoyment, let's step inside. Open the door and you're welcomed by a beautifully restored black interior that perfectly complements the vibrant exterior. The craftsmanship continues throughout the cabin, creating an atmosphere that feels both authentic and luxurious. The front bucket seats provide comfort and support while maintaining the classic muscle car appearance. Behind them sits a matching rear bench seat, allowing passengers to share in the experience. Fresh black carpeting stretches throughout the cabin, while brand new door panels reinforce the restoration's attention to detail. At the center sits a console equipped with a staple shifter, giving the interior a sporty and purposeful feel. In front of the driver is a gorgeous wood rim steering wheel mounted to a tilt steering column. It's a small detail, but one that dramatically enhances the driving experience. The dashboard blends vintage style with modern convenience. An aftermarket radio provides upgraded entertainment, while aftermarket gauges integrated into factory locations help monitor the engine's performance without disrupting the classic appearance. Everything feels intentional, everything feels premium, everything feels built to a standard far beyond what Chevrolet originally delivered in 1972. But the excellence doesn't stop where most people stop looking. Open the trunk and you'll discover a beautifully finished compartment complete with carpeting and detailed presentation. It's another reminder that this restoration was completed with pride. Then take a look underneath. Many classic cars look incredible on top but reveal their age underneath. Not this one. The undercarriage is every bit as impressive as the exterior. A black painted frame provides a clean and durable foundation. Body color matched floorboards demonstrate the level of detail invested into the build. New brake lines and fuel lines ensure reliability, while upgraded factory-style suspension components improve ride quality and handling. Front and rear sway bars help keep the car composed during spirited driving, and a brand new exhaust system allows the legendary 454 to sing its unforgettable soundtrack. This is the kind of vehicle that wins trophies when it's parked and earns admiration when it's moving. It's a show car. It's a collector car, and most importantly, it's a driver's car. At $179,900, this Chevelle represents the very top tier of restored American muscle. While that figure may seem substantial, you're not simply buying a 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible. You're buying thousands of hours of craftsmanship. You're buying one of the most recognizable muscle car designs ever created. You're buying legendary 454 big block performance, and you're buying a piece of automotive history that continues to appreciate in both value and desirability. More than 50 years after it first rolled off the assembly line, this 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Convertible still captures attention, still excites enthusiasts, and still delivers the kind of emotional driving experience that few vehicles can match, because some cars are transportation, some cars are investments. But a beautifully restored 454 powered Chevelle convertible like this, that's automotive art on wheels.